Dear students, in today's session, let us see what are the equations of motion by graphical method. Look at this graph. In x-axis, time is taken. In y-axis, velocity is taken. An object starts from the point A and reaches the point B in time t. So here the initial velocity is u. It starts from stationary position and it reaches the point V. So that is final velocity. It is mentioned as V. The object takes the time t to reach the point B. So the time is marked as t. Here the velocity is getting changed with uniform rate. So if the velocity changes means that is acceleration. It is denoted by the letter small a. B. Two perpendicular lines are drawn, that is called BC and BE from the point B, and it touches x-axis at C and y-axis at E. The initial velocity u is marked as OA and final velocity V is marked as BC in time t. So time is from O to C. So from this graph we can take BD is equal to BC minus CD. Now AD, that which is marked as that red color from A to D, that line is drawn. It is parallel to OC. So BC is equal to BD plus DC, and again it is equal to BD plus OA. Look at the graph BC, that is none other than the final velocity denoted by letter V. So BC can be written as it is equal to DC plus BD. OA is none other than the initial velocity. It is denoted by letter U. Now look at the graph. OA is equal to DC. So BC, that is final velocity, V is equal to BD plus U. So from this equation we can write BD is equal to V minus U. V minus U is here, that is change in velocity. Hope you understood that one. The next one is the definition of the acceleration. A is equal to V minus U by T. Already previously we have found V minus E is equal to BD and T is none other than AD. Again it is equal to BD by OC because AD is equal to OC. OC is none other than time. So in the equation you can substitute A is equal to BD by T. BD is, from the equation you are bringing T this side, so BD is equal to AT. Now you got two equations, that is BD is equal to V minus U, and now what we have found out, that is BD is equal to AT. So we can write V minus U is equal to AT. Look here, you can bring U the next side, it will be changed into plus. So you can write V is equal to U plus AT. Dear one, this is the first equations of motion. V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is acceleration and T is time. Dear ones, now we can see a problem based on the formula acceleration. calculate acceleration when a car moves with a velocity 60 km per hour and it stops within 2 seconds. Now we can see what are the data given. Data given t is equal to 2 seconds. So second is converted into hour here. So I have written 2 divided by 3600 and 2 is cancelled with 3600. So the answer will be 1 by 1800 hour. Initial velocity is given 60 km per hour, but final velocity is 0 because the car comes to the stop after applying the brake. Now the formula is A is equal to V minus U by T. So I am substituting it in the formula. The answer what I am getting is minus 60 into 1800 because 1 by 1800 when we are bringing it up, it will come to the numerator. Now it is multiplied. That means 60 is multiplied with 1800. The answer what you are getting is 1080000. Okay dear ones, so now you have calculated that is acceleration. So here the unit for acceleration is kilometer per hour square. If it is given in meter per second square means that unit is meter per second square. If it is kilometer means that is kilometer per second square.